coming. Well, they all stuck in whatever called. Oh, it looks like toys. Anyway, I love toys. If you love toys, comment down below. Anyways, let's see what it is. But then, oh, it's so fast. Boing. Okay, this is all of these toys is in a Ziploc bag. Okay, go. First, oh, look, Lego. Emmett. Why is that square? What's that? Whoa, it's actually light up. Let's go to the dark place, should we? So this is the dark place. Ooh. I don't want you to have some nightmares. So I'm not do any very scary. Okay. What's this? Hello Kitty. Daddy. Hello Kitty Daddy. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty Daddy. Oh, this? Yeah, you guessed correctly. You can put at your clothes. Oh, something like that. Look at the picture. What happened to the picture? Maybe it got very old. There's a rabbit. See? Right over there. There's a cat and a girl. Oh, it's a boy. Look like gold. So it's a gold. Where's the eyelash? This is actually in a mud. I better wash my hands. Wait for a minute. Oh. Ready, wash my hands. See how shiny.
Oh no, Kitty! Kitty will get out.
And if you like kitties, comment down below. In the show, the kitty lost. I'm so sad. The kitty lost. I'm so sad.
There's challenge with the other group leader.
The kitty goes like this. Yeah, the kitty action. The banana, like that. Yeah, I don't know actually. Then, oh, it's just the mommy. Hello Kitty is a sheep.
Oh, they
Just the big sister. Hello Kitty. The banana?
Yeah.
Here's the medium sister. This one is also the second medium sister. A sister, almost my sister, a baby girl. Whoa, look how many they got. It's almost like the loud house. But the loud house has 11. There's 10 sisters. And there's one boy who is Lincoln. There's a moment. We got no more family. a heart-shaped diamond ring for girls and boys.
So cute, little diamond.
I like this so much. And then this one, I think all of them like this. They are very famous in Korea. This is also the same as this one. But look, it says this one more smaller, this one more bigger. Hello. There's 4 cooks. The name first one, Rose, Jisoo, Jennie, Lisa. And their group name is Blackpink in your area. If you like Blackpink, comment down below. And anyways, so finished. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure smash the like button. And then hit the bell button. Even subscribe down below. Only at 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you got it. But if you got it, I give you one more chance. Only at 5 seconds. Really? Okay. I hope you got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you guys got it. See you later, guys. Bye. Woo!
Oh, I did. I know.